package to prevent damage during transport and storage. The machine is securely stored inside the box. Machine and all accessories as shown. As shown, insert the screw into the wheel. Insert it into the air compressor. Tighten the nut. Repeat the same on the other end. Insert the support feet and secure with nuts. Connect the power. Turn on the pressure switch. Pressure rises from 0 to 8 bar in about 2.5 minutes. Connect the air hose to the machine as shown. Adjust the drain valve to release moisture from the tank.